So here's the lesson for day one. We are talking about the H sound. Now, a lot of non-native speakers will sound like a crazy, rabid, hissing cat when they make the H sound. They'll go like this. Yeah? So when they're trying to say the word have, for example, I have a phone, something like this, right? They'll say, I have a phone. This is not what we want. What it should sound like in English is very calm, like only breath, no type of like crackle or any other extraneous sounds. So it should sound like this. Have. Yeah, I have. Right? The way I describe it is it's a bit like you have glasses or maybe a pocket mirror and you're trying to breathe into it to fog it up. I have. Yeah? Or maybe the word hat. I have a hat. Yeah? No hissing cats. None of please, no. Try it.